So what I'm gonna do now is apply a 3mm bead of this sealant. There is a particular, make sure sealing surface is clean. Apply silicone sealant to the sealing surface of the pan, they tell you. And they tell you to put this bead, let's see here, no thicker than 3mm, they say. Let's see, I don't know if I'm capable of this kind of Teutonic precision. So here's, I don't know if this is visible here in the video. It says to go around the inner periphery of the bolts, basically. So I'm going to stir it and let's see if I can do this as nicely as they ask. If I can even get this stuff out. There we go. And now I'm supposed to make a nice bead. This is thicker than 3mm. I don't know. Well, so I'm going to do the best I can here. They are particular to tell you that don't put too much, because that could get into the oil pan and the strainer and gum things up. Yeah, my bead isn't going to be that great. So basically along the center line, except that the bolts go inwards. It's easy to draw pictures, but much harder to do. So this is the Durco sealant which I got from ECS. The actual, this is supposed to be a suitable replacement for the OEM VW part number, which is actually horrendously expensive. Yeah, my bead is nowhere near as pretty as they show in the picture, but hopefully it'll do the trick. So applying continuous pressure is viscous enough that this is not trivially easy, but not that difficult, I suppose. I'll get good at this just when I'm right about the point at which I'm done. Kind of like making very thin jalebis. Okay. I think I have a pretty good bead in most places. So this did say not too much. So now I put this guy in, tap it in with a mallet. It did say do it within 5 minutes, so that's what I'm going to do now. Since I'm going to take this nozzle off because that stuff dries up. So this, here we go. So let me move the camera while I'm at it.